Shocking footage from Russia as a dashboard camera catches the moment of a deadly explosion on a bus in Volgograd. Authorities say it was a female suicide bomber who attacked the bus, killing at least 6 people and wounding 32 more. 30-year-old Naida Asielova from Dagestan is being blamed for the attack, with reports suggesting she was the wife of an Islamist militant. The bombing, which is the deadliest in 3 years, will be likely to raise fears of further attacks by militants, particularly as Russia prepares to host the Winter Olympics in February.